it does burn colors.
I'm waiting for you to light the bulb. Take a picture as I'm doing it, in case the colors don't last.
But that one came out perfect.
Well, look at the pink one.
Is this all mine?
So this is all Pokies.
I mean, is these all my candles?
Nope, these are Pokies.
It's Pokey's birthday.
I thought they were all my candles.
Okay.
Whoa.
Are you recording?
Too big in
Did you get a camera or a picture?
Hold on.
Don't blow it out yet.
Too bright.
That's cool. Look at that. Colors. Okay, Ethan, ready?
Are you recording?
No, bring your face in. Ready?
Hey.
I'm
Go,
going
Ethan.
on some.
Okay,
Ah,
Thank you.
come on, get closer. There you go.
Go,
Good
come
job.
on.